And battles are still being waged in today's setting, including Te Kohanga Reo at the moment. The King's called a national hui to discuss the problems with Kohanga Reo on Tūranga Waiwai in a couple of weeks' time. What's his position on the current problems in Te Kohanga? What does the King think? The King is in support, like his mother, is in full support of the kaupapa, and that has never changed. This is a time from the 11th to the 13th of April to clear the air and to move forward, to find a pathway where kohanga, whānau around the country can come together and talk about a whole number of issues, including the inevitable desire for change. And the King is very clear. We have to be forward focused. We have to learn from our past, but move ahead and move with some significant steps and an approach that will drive to future-proofing the movement for the next 50 years. One of the sticking points has been the lifetime trusteeship on Te Kohanga Reo. What's your opinion on lifetime trustees? For the brief time that I have sat with the trustees have embraced change. There's no doubt about that. And they are looking forward to change. And one of the issues is the lifetime trusteeship. And all of them believe that there is time for change. Now, that's been obstructed by the treaty negotiations and then the recent scrap with the dismissal, Titoki Black. All of those things have, I guess, come in the way of getting to the primary issue, which is change. Now, so at the conference, the National Trust would like to put up some models for change. So they've embraced change. And the King is quite clear. This is forward-focused. We have to get on. We're going to future-proof the movement, and actually, not for the next 5 years, but for the next 50 years. That's the desire, and that's the reason why the national conference is coming to Tūranga Waiwai. And the outcomes for the hui, what do you hope to happen? The hui is not a talk fest. It will not be an opportunity for people just to come and talk. There has to be some significant steps to go forward. So. There is a significant desire for concrete recommendations that will drive to real change. And so, give me one example of a resolution that you hope was going to come out of this. I think that the issue that you raised around lifetime membership is one of those issues. And clearly, the world has changed, and we have people who have been on that board who are iconic figures in our world. But governance requires people to a specific set of skills, and so all of the trustees have embraced this desire for change. And I think that if we're all pragmatic, there has to be change. But clearly, the challenge for the whānau of every Kohanga Reo, 469 of them who are coming to Tūranga Waiwai, is tell us what the scale of the change is, the manner in which that change should take place. But we will get there. There is no doubt about that. This hui is not a talk fest. This hui is a step for significant change to happen. Tēnā koe tuku, e mihi ana ki a koe, mo tō whakawātea mai a koe i tēnei ata ki a mātou o marae. Thank you very much, we appreciate your time. Tēnā koe. Kia ora.